The all-new 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter business van has been uncovered. What's more, new styling, it accompanies a variety of fascinating highlights. Beginning with the look of the van, the grille is smaller, and the headlights are more slender and more extensive. The lights additionally sit higher up. Concerning whatever is left of the van, any unessential wrinkles have vanished from the side, and the taillights have been squared off. Inside, the inside has advanced toward current Mercedes plan, with the middle stack overwhelmed by a tablet-like dark rectangle. Here, a 10.25-inch infotainment screen can be fitted alongside the second execution of the Mercedes MBUX interface, the first being the new A-Class. Other accessible innovation: the Sprinter will be Mercedes Pro Connect, which enables Armada supervisors to screen where vans are, learn whether they require fuel or different liquids, monitor general upkeep data, and oversee driving assignments. Another new Sprinter include is the accessibility of front-wheel drive. The organization says this empowers more prominent payload limit, since there isn't a huge hub and drive shaft adding weight to the van, and without the driveline segments underneath, the floor can be made lower. It particularly featured the benefits of this format for camper vans. Lamentably for the United States, we'll just be getting back drive and all-wheel drive adaptations. In any case, we're attempting to consider numerous different vehicles that have been accessible with either front or back wheel drive. Renault 21? Meanderer 75? Your assistance in the remarks would be invited. The United States will likewise just get a 9-speed program, though Europe will have manual alternatives. What is coming here, notwithstanding, is another electric adaptation of the van called the eSprinter. Mercedes didn't uncover any data about range or power for this adaptation, yet it said it would be focused at city utilize, so don't expect especially long range. The electric form will go on special in Europe in 2019, however a particular US state wasn't uncovered. The gas Sprinter will go at a bargain here toward the finish of this current year.